1 Minute Spanish for Latin America, Lesson 2.
Hola. Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to 1 Minute Spanish for Latin America, where we're teaching you the basics of Spanish 1 minute at a time.
I am Carolina.
And I'm Mark. Last time we learned how to greet people and say goodbye. In this lesson, we'll learn some useful words in Spanish, which you'll use every day. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. So we're looking at 4 words or phrases which will take you far in any language in this lesson. The first of these is the word for yes. Carolina, can you teach us how you would say yes in Spanish?
Sí.
Repeat this again after Carolina.
Sí.
One more time.
Sí.
Okay, now if we've learned yes, we need to learn no. In Spanish, this couldn't be more simple. The word for no is...
No.
Now try to make this sound Spanish and not English. Listen again to Carolina and repeat after her.
No.
Try it one more time.
No.
Now it's always useful to be polite and create a good impression. Carolina, can you teach us how to say please in Spanish?
In Spanish, please is por favor.
Let's hear that again.
Por favor.
It literally means something like as a favor.
Por favor.
And another word to keep things polite is thank you.
Gracias.
Listen again and repeat after Carolina.
Gracias.
One more time.
Gracias.
That's almost us for this show. We'll be back again soon with more Spanish. For now, let's say thank you and goodbye.
Gracias y hasta luego.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.